When I think of American food, mac and cheese is one of the first dishes that comes to mind. But today, mac and cheese become Jiro-style ramen? Let's find out. Hey, I'm Noji Nora, ramen maniac from Japan. When I think of American food, mac and cheese comes to mind. It's one of Americans' favorite comfort foods. I love making it at home and my family loves it too. So today, I'm turning it into Jiro-style ramen. Here it is, mac and cheese Jiro-style ramen. Look at that cheese! That pork looks amazing. I can't wait to try it. Today's challenge, can America's favorite comfort food become an unforgettable bowl of ramen? Ramen time. I've always wondered why mac and cheese is so popular. Maybe it's a rich, cheesy flavor. Or maybe it's the feeling of a homemade family meal. Even as a Japanese guy, it somehow makes me feel warm inside. I imagine it's one of those meals that means a lot to many American families. I also love tacos, cheeseburgers, fried chicken, fries, and pizza. Maybe I've been an American at heart all along. うわー、この時点でめっちゃうまそう。Yummy. Cheese is just dangerously good. Just look at that cheese pool. I think that's something people all over the world enjoy. And this is pork back fat. To me, it's just as irresistible as melted cheese. Jiro-style ramen just wouldn't be the same without it. Once you fall in love with it, there's no going back. Do you guys love the smell of garlic too? I absolutely love it. Sometimes I wish they made garlic perfume. Okay, maybe not. But seriously, garlic just makes everything smell amazing. When I first got into ramen, I thought pork was the star of the bowl. Now I see it differently. Pork is an incredible supporting character. The real stars are the noodles and the soup. Now we are stepping into a more obsessive side of ramen. Making noodles from scratch takes time. But for me, it's always worth it. The perfect noodle changes everything. Thickness, chewiness, and the way they hold the sauce. Every little detail matters. Honestly, I have a feeling this could be even better than fresh pasta. That's exactly what I'm aiming for today. Let me tell you something funny. Things don't always go as planned. I've spilled water into my dough. I've dropped flour all over the floor. And yes, I've even dropped a finished bowl of ramen. More than once. Luckily not this one, yeah. Ramen has taught me one thing. Mistakes happen. Just don't waste the lesson. To bring it closer to ramen, I'm going to add a little ramen tare to the cheese sauce. I'm also going to add garlic, the foundation of my ramen. I'll coat the noodles with the cheese sauce. Then I'll pour even more on top. And finally, I'll finish it with my seasoned pork back fat. Hopefully, every bite will taste like both mac and cheese and ramen. This is my favorite part. I'm always excited while making ramen. I can never wait to take the first bite. There's something about making ramen that always makes me smile. Now comes the moment I've been waiting for. This is where mac and cheese starts becoming ramen. I hope those two words come together. Look at that. This is exactly what I was hoping for. Every strand is coated in cheese. Almost there. First, the veggies. Now the pork, kami buta. A generous layer of cheese. And finally, garlic and seasoned pork back fat. Wow! I honestly can't believe this. It looks even better than I imagined. Now, there's only one thing left to do. Let's eat! いただきます. First, the soup. Wow, これうますぎる. It's rich, but still tastes like ramen. Now the pork. That pork is unbelievably soft. Now the veggies. The crunch is perfect. Time for the noodles. They're unbelievably creamy. This is exactly what I was hoping for. I honestly didn't expect it to be this good. This might be my best American fusion yet. Mac and cheese and Jiro-style ramen. They belong together. Every bite just makes me want another one. I can't stop eating. This one is definitely staying in my recipe book. This might be the best match with my ramen so far.
ごちそうさまでした。最高に美味しかった。最近で一番かもしれない。No.1.
I can't wait to make the next one. If you'd like to try it yourself, here are all the ingredients I used. Sorry, Torch. Maybe next time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this ridiculous bowl, subscribe and join the ramen madness. I'll see you in the next bowl. Noji no Life. Thank you.